Hi, we're Matt and Colin, and for our senior project, we have created a small-scale, user-friendly ERP database system. Our technical advisor is Dr. Reza Paragabagar. Today we will discuss our problem statement, the disadvantages of existing ERP systems, our ergonomically driven solution approach, and a comprehensive list of deliverables for this project, as well as demoing our software product. There is a high demand for user-friendly ERP database systems. While there are many powerful ERP systems in existence, there is a need for a small-scale, low-cost approach to production planning. Smaller businesses, such as family-owned shops, can use our product as a low-cost planning system. Additionally, our small business software package is a valuable teaching tool for universities. Our engine will be applicable in both industrial engineering and business departments.
Many existing ERP systems are cluttered, costly in the case of a high-end product like SAP, the cost exceeds $1,000 per user, and above all, not user-friendly. This is because the continuously increasing demand for added functionality outweighs the need for an ERP system to be easy to use. In a 2007 PhD dissertation, a study was conducted consisting of 281 ERP software users, most of whom used high-end products like SAP or Oracle. One of the main conclusions drawn from the dissertation was, quote, "The ERP system should be easy to use. A complex system decreases its usefulness, which also makes users reluctant to use it. The system should be carefully designed to be user-friendly, considering screen design, user interface, page layout, help facilities, and menus," unquote. A high-end ERP system looks something like this. It is highly functional, but on top of its costliness, the user interface is cluttered and not user-friendly. An existing free alternative to what you just saw might look something like this. It costs nothing to use, with decreased functionality as a trade-off. In either case, user-friendliness was not a high priority.
Our solution approach involves strategic software selection as well as integration of many industrial engineering concepts for development and analysis. We chose Microsoft Access to develop our database ERP engine. Our experience with this platform enabled us to code a thorough and efficient system. Access also provided the functionality we need through its interface design and data reporting modules. First and foremost, we integrated our production planning knowledge in our software in the arrangement of its structure, from inputs to data storage and manipulation to outputs. We used our database design skills all along the way when developing the interface. Also, ergonomic principles were at the forefront of our intentions in every step of development. Decisions regarding system design were centered around the end user and their ease of use. Finally, we used accounting methods and economic principles to provide a financial analysis of orders generated.
The ergonomic aspect is a key component of our project. The main achievement of our ERP system is ease of navigation. Objects that have the same or similar functionality are placed in the same location on all windows, and our forms and reports are clutter-free. Additionally, the aesthetic elements play a key role in guiding the user smoothly through the system. Our text is easy to read, and the color scheme of the entire system is both visually appealing and intuitive. We have also provided a user guide which contains procedural instructions on how to operate the software. The steps required to perform basic tasks like input and change BOMs, generate financial reports, and create MRP tables can be found here. Apart from the user guide, the system contains local and global help for when the user encounters issues. The local help assists the user with whatever is on screen at the time, while the global help solves many common problems that the user may run into and does not change depending on where the user has navigated to within the system.
Now let's look at the specific deliverables our software provides. The database takes in the three standard inputs for an MRP engine: bill of materials, inventory master file, and the master production schedule. Also, cost data is taken into account. With these givens, MRP tables are generated. There is an advisory system in place to warn the user of past due orders and consequently give multiple options to resolve issues. The user may also perform a sensitivity analysis, changing any input information to view the corresponding output in order schedule and financial outputs. In this manner, the user may simulate marketing games, taking in field information and considering different scenarios. The master production schedule may be altered to simulate demand fluctuations, resulting in different cash flows and rates of return. One key variable that may be changed is the bill of materials itself, allowing for engineering change management. Products may be added or removed at will. Product configuration may be altered based on engineering changes.
Now let's take a look at the actual software product. The software package is password protected and has several user types. Low-level users may view but not edit data. Planners and schedulers may edit the data but not the code, and only administrators may edit both the data and the background VBA code. This is our home page. From here, the user may access the production schedule, product configurations, the IMF, and the generated MRP tables. The user also has direct access to our BOM processing and financial analysis sections. Here is the master production schedule. As you can see, our forms are functionally sortable and can be printed out and, depending on what type of user you are, edited as well. The user interface is very intuitive and easy to navigate. The main menu and help page can be accessed from anywhere. Moving on to product maintenance, it is very easy to find and edit the information pertaining to any part the user desires. Most of the data for each component or assembly can be found on this interface, and navigating from part to part is very simple. Anything you missed in the product maintenance form can be found here in the MRP report, where the production and or purchasing schedules are exploded according to BOMs and offset according to lead times. This report is generated based on the information provided in the previous window as well as others, and, like in the IMF, it is searchable based on many different criteria. Based on this generated data, financial calculations can be performed in order to select the optimal schedule. The financial analysis tool can be used to perform ROI, net present worth, and numerous other calculations.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. If you have questions or feedback, feel free to contact us.